Big Bird, would you mind listening for the phone for me? I have to go to Mr. Hooper's store before it closes.
Oh, sure.
Okay?
Susan.
I'll be right back.
Oh, sure, I'm happy to help. Birds are like... What's that? What's that noise? Susan, are you doing that? Gordon? Are you knocking on something, Gordon? Huh. It can't be Susan, because she's gone to Mr. Hooper's. And it can't be Gordon, because he's out back. And so it must be a burglar. I'm getting out of here. No, wait. It can't be a burglar, because burglars are very quiet. But that's a very noisy sound. So it isn't me, and it isn't a burglar. It has to be a monster. I'm getting out of here. Oh. Wait. But if it's a monster, he's probably out there in the hallway, because that's where the sound is coming from. I'll have to really run for it. But wait, there might be 2 monsters out there. I'd have to run twice as fast. Here I go. Oh, wait. If there's 2 monsters, there could be 3 or even 4. I'd have to run 4 times as... Wait a minute. I'll never get away from a pack of 5 or 6. Oh, listen to them out there. 7 or 8 monsters swinging their clubs, getting ready to attack. I'd better hide. I'll hide over here under the table. Oh! Shh! Oh boy. I bet those 9 fearsome monsters heard that. Oh, well. Oh, look. There. Okay, you 10 terrible monsters. I'm ready for you. Come on in. I'll get you.
Oh, Big Bird, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Quick, hide before the monsters attack.
What monsters?
The monsters up there in the hallway.
There are no monsters in the hallway.
Yes, there are.
Big Bird.
There's 12 terrible monsters out there, and they've got clubs and swords and possibly lions or tigers and maybe even a dragon. And wait a minute, did you say you just came through the hallway?
Yes, I did, and it was empty, honest.
But I can hear the monsters. Listen.
Oh, that clunking noise?
Yeah.
You know what that is. That's the bathroom door. I must have closed it improperly, and the draft makes it bang like that. I'll fix it.
It's bathroom, but I've been hearing a door banging in the window.
See, it's stuff.
But where are the monsters?
What made you think they were monsters, Big Bird?
Well, I mean, you went out and I heard this noise. You see, and Gordon wasn't, and there was no bird,
Right.
and I guess I made it all up.
Boy, have you got some imagination.
Well, gosh, I feel so silly.
Oh,
I don't know
feel
what
silly.
I don't know what to say.
Well, don't say anything. I tell you what you should do, though. Let's just look over here and watch some kids having fun. Okay?
I'd love to.
Okay.
Well, it has a fat body. A long nose. No, not like that. It's like a line and then a small line, and then the line goes the same way, another big line like that one you have there. Yeah, like that. And then close it up. And then make a big head. A big head. Not that big! Not that yeah, too big. Much too big. No, then not that small. Not that I think that was good. Yeah, that's better. And then big fat ears. Big fat ears. And make a fat body. Not like that. That's a snowman. He has has sort of a small thing in back of
A
him.
tail. It has a tail.
No! A small one. No, a little bit bigger than that. And
Then feet.
small
long legs.
feet.
No, not small feet. Big fat feet.
Okay, 4 of them.
Not like that. Not like that. Not like that.
No, not like
Not
that.
like that.
4 of them.
Big round ones. Big round feet. Not like that. Make legs and then the big round foot.
And you have to make eyes.
And the mouth.
No.
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 Not that
Bigger, bigger.
Much too big. Yeah, like that.
It has sort of some white things that stick out.
No! No! From the long nose.
From,
No, not there!
from the beginning of the long nose.
No.
Sort of near the mouth.
There.
On top, right on top of the mouth.
No.
No. On the side of the mouth, it's on top.
Yeah, there. Not there.
That's pretty good.
Well, I think that does it.
Steve, what season do you like best?
I like spring.
You like spring? Me too. What about you, Ron?
Winter.
Winter. What about you, Joey?
Summer.
Summer. Robin?
Summer.
Oh, well, this book is about spring, and I like spring especially because you feel peppy as the weather just starts to get warm. You forgot it already. What did I tell you? Who will wake up spring? Winter covers the apple tree. Snow blankets the ground. The tree is cold and bare. Spring is awakening. She touches the apple tree. The first green leaves wait for more. Spring is wide awake. The trees burst with green.
I follow you.
Good. Apple blossoms fill the world with pink. Apple blossoms smell good, too, besides being
I
pretty.
don't know what apple blossom is.
Well, on an apple tree, it gets flowers before it gets apples, and they're called apple blossoms.
Oh.
It is summer. The air is warm and quiet. A yellow bird enjoys the day. See the yellow bird up in the tree? He's just sitting up there.
Sound like Big Bird.
Yeah, but he's awfully little to be Big Bird. 2 yellow birds make the apple tree their home. What's a bird's home called?
A nest.
A nest. See it in the tree? Soon 5 yellow birds will call this tree home. They're the 2 yellow birds and 3 eggs. That makes 5, right? What's going to happen to those eggs, Ronald?
They go burst open, little chickens eggs.
Chickens? No, little baby birds.
There they go.
Yeah. The days are filled with cheerful chirping. See the baby birds sitting in the nest? Yeah,
What's
they're
this?
cute. Oh, those are some leaves. Okay. Green apples hide behind green leaves. See, those flowers turn into apples.
What's that? Another leaf.
Yeah, another leaf.
It's like a bird. Wow.
Red apples hang heavy. Ripe fruit waits to be picked. And if it's not picked, it falls on the ground.
Yeah. I wouldn't eat one.
You don't like the
Worm.
apples?
A worm.
No.
But they take from the tree.
Nah.
A worm.
The green leaves of summer are gold and brown leaves of fall. The yellow birds wing south. They leave an empty nest.
Yeah, I would take it with him.
A bird couldn't take his nest with him. He'd have to strap it on his wing or something. The wind shakes off the gold and brown. The leaves curl up beneath the tree. That's when you have to rake your leaves in
That's
your
when the
yard.
winter's
Yeah, winter's coming after that.
for
Winter covers the apple tree. Who will wake up spring?
I will.
You will. I bet you wake up everybody in your house, right? You figure you can wake up spring. Well, we don't have to worry because spring wakes herself up. She doesn't need an alarm clock or anything. All of a sudden, you'll just see the trees will start to bud and flowers will come up. Spring just wakes up all by herself. That's good.
But they take 100 years.
No.
No.
Spring
No.
comes once every year.